when you originally came in, what was the main things you were dealing with? Like, what were you?
My back would lock up, and during workouts, picking up my kids, yard work, I would be laid out on the couch the whole next day.
Okay.
I just needed to be able to get up and do things.
And then it's been going better?
Way better. I can actually do workouts.
Sweet. All right, well, that's awesome.
Pick up my kids without a
And
struggle.
the kids are a lot of work, right? So you have had a couple kids, right? You have
2.
2, okay. Let's lay down here. Let's get started. Let's see what we got. All right, so we'll get started. So we had a couple here in the mid back, and we had some curvature in the spine too. It's just something that's been there forever. Okay, let's lay on your side, this side up. Okay, we'll flip over the other side. Come over here, nice and easy. Oh, fantastic. All right, we'll lay on your back. That was awesome. All right. Now move nice and smooth. So that's all we need there. So we should keep getting better. Is that doing okay?
Yeah.